Hello and welcome to Digit. In this video, we will be unpackaging the Eazories OnePlus compatible fast charging cable. This is a USB-C to USB-C cable and has fast charging speed of 6.5 amperes. As you can see, it comes in a pretty generic clear plastic bag. So let's get rid of it and look at the product itself. On the inside, as we can see, it mimics the OnePlus cable quite nicely. It has the quintessential OnePlus red and white color scheme. It also has these two brackets for cable management, and there is a plastic casing on the inside that has some details that we can look at. Here we see that it is warp charge compatible and it's a USB-C cable, something that we already knew. Each end of the cable has some plastic covering on it to protect the USB-C interface. When it comes to the length of the cable, that is, it's approximately a meter long. So let's see the cable in action now. So here we have a power strip with a USB-C compatible charging brick. We also have a OnePlus 9 device. So let's connect the two and see the cable in action. The moment it is connected, it starts to charge the device, but it does not charge it at warp speed, which is the fastest speed capable on a OnePlus device, since our charging brick is not warp speed compatible. If you have a warp speed compatible charging brick, rest assured this should charge at warp speed as well. You can also use this cable to sync and transfer data between the smartphone and a laptop or a computer. So, this was the unboxing of the Eazories OnePlus compatible fast charging cable. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.